Okay, so today we got a 1-inch F-150. We're going to simulate changing the seat, stem packing, and body gasket in it. First of all, we're going to remove the flange protectors. Then I'm going to stick it in my vise just to hold it still. Next, I'm going to remove the end cap. I got an 11/16 wrench here. Okay, we're going to take the ball out next, and to do that, we're just going to close the valve. The ball will fall right out. Now we're going to remove the seat, the baton behind it, and the end cap and the center body. And there's the baton and the seat. There's the body gasket. Now we're going to take it out of the center body. Baton and seat. All right, next we're going to take off the handle. Once again, 11/16 nut. Now we're going to take a flathead and a hammer and beat down this locking tab here. These are 11/16 again. This is our stem. We're going to take it out. There's 2 bevel washers, a locking tab, and packing follower. Stem packing should just come right on out. There's 4 pieces total. There's a top, a middle, and a bottom, and the very top is a thrust washer. Okay, so now that we have everything out, we're actually going to reuse the soft parts that came out of it, so we can just start back assembling it together. So we can go ahead and put in our seats. Baton goes in first. It'll be up under the seats. Now we can put it in the center body. Now we can put our body gasket on. Now we can put our stem back in. It does have a baton O-ring there and a thrust bearing on it. We can put our stem packing back in. The bottom piece is going to be flat on the bottom and beveled on the top. The middle piece is going to be hollow on the bottom and beveled on the top. And the top piece is going to be hollow on the bottom and flat on the top. And then next is our packing follower and the 2 bevel washers, and then our locking tab. And then last is the stem nut. And we're going to put our ball in. And then our end cap. And then our 4 nuts that hold on the end cap. we need to beat up our locking tab to a flat on the nut, just like that. Then put our handle on, put the handle on, and then the nut. And then that's it.